Artificial intelligence is transforming cybersecurity, and the question is simple. Are you ready to secure it? Introducing CompTIA SecAI Plus. This is the industry's very first certification dedicated to AI cybersecurity, and this course will get you certified. Here's the reality. 68% of organizations have already experienced an AI-related security incident. The average cost of a data breach involving AI systems is $4.8 million. AI-powered phishing attacks have surged 300% since 2024, and 40% of the SecAI Plus exam is focused entirely on securing AI systems. The bottom line? You need skills that bridge AI and cybersecurity. This course gives you exactly that. This is your complete certification prep for the CompTIA SecAI Plus exam. You get video lectures covering all 4 exam domains, hands-on labs, where you build real AI security tools, 2 full practice exams with over 120 exam-style questions, and 100% coverage of every official exam objective. Every lecture is mapped one-to-one to the certification objectives. No filler. No fluff. Every minute counts. Let's talk about what you'll master. Domain 1 covers AI concepts for cybersecurity, including machine learning, deep learning, prompt engineering, and RAG architecture. That's 17% of the exam. Domain 2 is the big one at 40%. You'll learn to secure AI systems using frameworks like the OWASP-LLM Top 10 and MITRE Atlas. Domain 3 covers AI-assisted security operations, from threat detection to DevSecOps automation. That's 24%. And Domain 4 handles AI governance, risk, and compliance, including the EU AI Act and NIST AI Risk Management Framework at 19%. Who is this course designed for? Security analysts and society teams looking to add AI skills. Security engineers and architects designing secure AI implementations. GRC and compliance professionals navigating new AI regulations. IT professionals transitioning into AI security roles. DevSecOps engineers integrating AI into their pipelines. And anyone pursuing the CompTIA SecAI Plus certification. We recommend at least 2 years of cybersecurity experience, but CompTIA Security Plus or equivalent knowledge is helpful, not required. So what makes this course different from everything else out there? First, every single lecture maps directly to a specific exam objective. No filler, no fluff. Second, it's built with a security-first approach. Real-world scenarios, not abstract theory. Third, you get hands-on labs where you build actual security tools, including an ML classifier and a secure RAG pipeline. Fourth, 2 full practice exams with detailed explanations simulate real exam conditions. And fifth, you'll get deep dives into the frameworks the exam actually tests. OWASP-LLM Top 10, MITRE Atlas, NIST AI RMF, and the EU AI Act. Let's look at the exam itself. The CompTIA SecAI Plus is exam code CY0-001. It has up to 60 questions, including multiple choice and performance-based questions. You get 60 minutes. The passing score is 600 out of 900. You can take it at a Pearson VUE test center or online with remote proctoring. The voucher costs approximately $425. And here's a key advantage. SecAI Plus, launched in February 2026. Early certification holders stand out in a market that's hungry for AI security talent. Your AI security journey starts right now. When you enroll today, you get video lectures covering all 4 exam domains, hands-on labs where you build real AI security tools, 2 full-length practice exams with over 120 questions, and lifetime access with instructor support. Click Enroll now and secure your future in AI security. CompTIA SecAI Plus, CY0-001. Complete certification prep. Pass the exam. Advance your career. Secure the future. Start learning today.